Hello everyone, today I will introduce the plastic hygiene filling line. The capacity of this machine is about 1,200 bottles per hour. Okay, let's look at the first machine, our fully automatic bottle sorter. Through advanced numeric or mechanical method, the bottle sorter automatically identifies and organizes bottles, accurately locate and arrange the sorted bottles, thus ensure that bottles go to the next step smoothly. Next up for us is our company's rotary flip bottle washer. This machine adopts the combination of the rotary and turning, which is able to clean the inside and outside of bottles in an all-round and that way. Okay, next to show you is our fully automatic forehead high-pressure metering pump filling machine. The fully automatic forehead high-pressure metering pump filling machine is equipped with 4 independent high-pressure metering pumps, each of which is equipped with a several motor control system to ensure the accuracy and stability of each filling. Last but not least, we would like to introduce you our labeling machine. The machine fits contents into the labeling area via an automatic conveyor belt, where labels are automatically separated and currently positioned by a self-automated labeling wheel.